a powerful way to live in victory. Hello friends, this is Yundel, and today's share is just a reminder to each and every one of us. Do not feel sorry for yourself. Stop that self-pity. Try to live in victory. And to do this, it becomes easier for you to live a life in victory when you know the powerful way to do it. There is a little phrase, say out loud every single morning. This is very powerful words you can say to yourself. Today is going to be a great day. Positive affirmation is very important when we are going to decide to live our life in victory. It is so important to set the tone for the day. First thing in the morning, declare, verbalize it, speak it loud. This is the day that the Lord has made. No more negative self-talk. It's time to turn off the inner critic, to shut down the discouragement. It's time to build yourself up rather than tear yourself down. Declare and verbalize it every day. That today I want to give myself the best 3 practical steps to help myself to see the breakthrough in my life. Encourage yourself in the Lord. Dream big. Dream in God. Take a practical step of faith. Catch a glimpse of what God in store for you and who you are in Jesus, and you will find there is always more to imagine, more life, more blessing, more praise, more peace, and more joy in your life. But you have to decide it. You have to declare it by faith every day, every morning. Say it, that today is going to be a great day. Take note these 3 things, 3 practical steps to help you see your breakthrough. We all deserve a breakthrough in our life. Remember always where you come from. God created you, right? So encourage yourself to live in the Lord. Have the Lord in your life every day. Encourage yourself to live in the Lord. Dream big. Dreams in God. When you're dreaming big and you're asking God for a blessing to fulfill the dreams you have in your heart. When you believe your dreams will come true, believe in God. Remember that He is there to give you the desire of your heart, but that you have to acknowledge and be grateful what you have right now. We are all capable of dreaming big. Dream big and put that into action. Ask God for guidance to let your dreams come true. And with that, we have to take a practical step of faith, meaning you have to take action. Have that step of faith that what you are going to do is going to succeed. What you are going to wish for your life, it will come to pass. You are dreaming big, you are expecting it, then it's time to take action. You can only take action When you have the step of faith, have that step of faith in you and try to work on with your life, with your actions, with your behavior, you can fulfill the dreams God had put in your heart. Yes, you are the only one who can encourage yourself in the Lord, but you have to acknowledge Him first. You have to know that He is your friend. He is your true and loyal friend. Build up yourself rather than tear yourself down. Always have a positive mindset whatsoever you are planning to do today. Have a positive attitude. And with practicing an attitude of gratitude, believe me, you are going to live your best life. But all these things, you are the only one who can do the action to take a practical step of faith. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all and bye-bye.